I think celebrating the Year of Cooperatives is so important because it offers hope to the world, particularly in America, but throughout the world. We are experiencing an economy that is devoid of values. It is capitalism on steroids or capitalism run amok, and the result of that we see all around us. The cooperative business model is the only business model we have that comes with a set of values and principles. And it is those values and principles, when we practice them, that makes cooperative business different. When we practice it well, lives are better, people are more engaged, we learn to live together in a different way, and that different way creates a better world that I want to live in, and I think others as well. And by celebrating this year, by holding it up so that people can see it, particularly in the midst of this crappy economic environment, it gives us an option to showcase something that's different and that a different way is possible. In the last year, I saw a community with a cooperative food co-op that had been there for 30 years. It had been down to 63 members. It was ready to close its doors, and it had lost its space. Their renter was going to pull the lease. That community rallied around the leadership of that cooperative, rallied their membership, rallied the community. They went from 6,300 members to over 400 members, and now they're pushing 500. That community invested $200,000 in recapitalizing that business. They relocated to a new store. Today, they not only saved the 3 to 4 jobs that they had, but they've added 2 new ones, and they've hit break even and seem to be grasping, getting traction on their business. One community, one business, a few jobs, maybe no big deal. But in the natural food co-op sector that I work in a lot, my organization's been affiliated with 6 brand new startups in the last 8 years. Today, those 6 stores, 25,000 owner members, over $25 million in sales, over $5 million in payroll, and differences, not just to their owner members who have a choice that they want to have in the groceries that they buy, but also to the local businesses that are patronized by this food co-op, by the local farmers, by all of the systems that are affected when people choose to cooperate. That's cooperation practiced, and it's making a difference because those folks have a different world that they get to work and play in than what they would have had in the absence of this model. Those things make a difference.